Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And in today's video we are talking about eyeliner gel. So that's more like winging out your eye and the types of gel liners out there, and yeah, something that I find easy to do and what to use. So let's get straight into the video. With the gel liners, obviously the black ones, because we're talking about winging out your eye, I know about three, which is this one. It looks like that, and it's a black. This is a black, so this is how it looks like, and you could just easily, use it like that. I find this one very easy to use. Though when I first started, I started with this one because I just didn't know what to buy. So with this one, it's kind of the gel is inside, so you've got to use a brush, like a tiny hard brush. So I can't find the brush that I used to use, so let me try if I can see. So just for showing purposes, so with this one you kind of do that, and then you draw over there like that. It's a bit dried out, that's why it's not coming out much, but yeah, that's what this type is for. And it's good other people use this throughout because they have mastered the art of using this. And then the third type that I know, the third type that I know is this one. So with this one, kind of, it's got that, and the gel is kind of in that tiny pot, yeah. And all you do is, oops, get that out, and then you draw it. This is good as well. It's not much on the messy side as compared to this one, because you really have to be good to use this one. But like I said, sometimes I would use this, and because I don't want this to finish for the edges, I would use that. Then inside I would fill it with that, but that's kind of messy for me and the like. So when I first bought this, second I bought was this, and this for me was like, oh wow, this is a game changer, and I just loved it too much. And then after this, then I recently got this one, and I'm like, oh, this one makes it all easy. So yeah guys, let me now show you how to wing your eye. Obviously with your makeup all done, your eyeshadow and stuff, I didn't want to put anything on my face, so the demonstration is kind of easy, so that everyone just kind of concentrates on what I'm doing. So when it comes to winging out your eye, you also need to look at the type of your eyes, the type of eyes that you've got. Like for me, I've got hooded eyes. So what I mean is that when I do that, yeah, you can see this part just kind of comes out. And then when I open my eyes like that, looking up, it kind of just goes in. So it goes inside that. So this is the skin, it just kind of covers it. So you see, like I look up, that's how it looks. And when I look down, so when doing your eyeliner, you also need to understand the type of eyes you've got. With my kind of eyes, so if you've got ones that are like mine, that the lid just kind of covers it like that, when I open, yeah, it's just covered it, and then when I look down, the lid is there. So when you've got eyes that are like mine, really you don't need a lot of gel liner there, because it's just gonna cover everything. Let me give you an example. If I do that, look, you see what I'm talking about. And when I open, it looks like that. Everything has just gone in. So you also need, so it's important to understand the kind of eyes. And this just kind of looks awkward because everything has just gone in. We want that to show, so we don't want to hide it. I'm just gonna wipe this off, and then I will show you how to do it if you've got my kind of eyes. If you've got quite a visible lid space, you know, you can play them guys, just play around with their eyeliners and stuff. So with my sort of eyes, this side here in the inner corners, I kind of start just there, just below, especially if I'm not putting on any eyeshadows or eyelashes and stuff. So you see, if I do it right below, it looks good. Look at that, it's just right there. And then when it comes to winging out your eye, it also depends with the type of eye you have. I've seen people that look good when they kind of just take it down like that and it comes like that. But as you can see, for me, this does not do. It kind of makes my eye drop. So also when winging out your eye, you need to understand the type of eyes you've got. I'm just gonna wipe this off, and then I will quickly show you how to wing it out. So we've talked about the inner side, we've talked about how it should look this side. I will now show you how I do mine, and hopefully you can take down some notes and then apply that when winging out your eye. So the easiest way that I do and that I find is I start from there, yeah, and then I will take it up like that, and then I'm going to look down and try and make a line going all the way that side. So you see that. So when I have made this line, and then I will, these two lines, there's this bottom one and the up one that met this one. So I will then kind of just fill it in like that. I will then just fill that in. And then continue taking it down, but fade that down this side. So when winging out my eye, I mostly concentrate on this part. And for this part, if so if you're making a mistake, yeah, you kind of can't just get that. So if you can't get the bottom line straight, all you can do is use your concealer or the foundation that you are using. Yeah, get some concealer and then get a flat brush and clean out the bottom. And then you clean up the bottom part like that, and you just kind of bring that outwards, and yeah, you clean it. So you got it, so you clean it. See, and this is how I wing out my eyes. When it comes to winging out your eyes, there are also other techniques that you could use depending on the kind of eyeshadow you want, because sometimes I do wing my eyes starting from there, yeah, going all the way up, so like this whole thing will just be black. But for a basic kind of, you know, gel liner that you can do almost any time and everywhere for any occasion is what I have shown you. So this is the easiest that I do, and this is how I do it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have subscribed and watching my videos, thank you for staying with me. So it's bye for now, until next time.